go.
Speak up. Oh, what?
You done? Completely? You done? No, hopefully, all I'm praying is praying for this. That this quality is better than the last. It should be. Because I'm filming on the phone.
Okay, for me to get the whole fence.
And it's a better quality altogether. But well, the camera's good quality. It's just you can't really. Think no more about have they seen us? You're probably gonna be like, how did you get up there? Quite ran into a problem. So we've got to take this way back up. If possible. You can get up this way. I think so. Fuck. Yeah. Hit the code. Oh. I'm coming. We just came across these people and they was trying to get in the video, I think. They was trying to get down to us but they couldn't find a way down. Which is quite stupid, you just jump the fucking fence and it's easy. So literally just on the way back now and I look like a fucking weirdo. The sky's good though, mate. It's good. It is actually getting colder actually. But yeah, as we was like leaving, there was some people like trying to get down to us. And then we got back up. They was in like the shop near, and they were just looking at us. So I was quite confused on what was going on. They was either trying to get into the video, and then once they realised we wasn't filming anymore, they just went. So I don't really know what was going on at that point. But yeah, that's it for the video and just on the way back now. So, peace.